Hi, I'm Abigail Stahl from the firm of Stahl Ziegler in Toms River in Morristown, New Jersey. I'm preparing this video for you today in order to help answer one of the first questions we always get in this process. Should I file for divorce? That is a question that only you can answer. We can guide you, however, in certain thought processes that might help you to decide and answer that question to the best of your ability. There are two primary considerations when deciding whether or not you should file for divorce. The first consideration is an emotional one, and the second, financial. When you're determining whether or not to file for divorce and considering the emotional impact on you and your family, you should be prepared to say before you file that you have taken all steps and done everything in your power to reconcile the break in your family unit. As I tell some people, you need to be able to look yourself in the eyes and look your kids in the eyes and say, I gave 110%. So how do you do that? Ask yourself, did I attend individual therapy and follow the recommendations of my therapist? Did we attend family or marriage therapy? Did I talk to my religious advisors if you're religious? Did I follow all their advice and take into consideration and take to heart what they suggested for me and my family? You should also consider whether or not you and your spouse or significant other have reviewed and reanalyzed your personal goals and priorities. When you first came together, you had those conversations. What did we want from life? Where do we want to be in 5 years? How many kids? What kind of house? What kind of cars? That's a conversation that should continue. Do your priorities align? Do you still have common goals? If you have common goals with different priorities, can you respect and support the other person's priorities? Keep in mind that men and women do have different priorities, though they are actually the same. So, for instance, a woman may say, well, my kids are my priority. I want to make sure I have money for college. And her spouse might say, well, my retirement is my priority. I want to know that we have money to live. When you really go deeper into those discussions, what you find is there is a common ground between those two courses. Have you had those discussions? If you can honestly say, I had all those discussions, I have taken all the advice I can find, and I am satisfied that I can look myself in the eyes and look my children in the eyes and know that I gave my all, then you should consider the financial impact of the decision you wish to make. What is the marital estate worth? How much will you likely receive from the marital estate? What type of support would you expect to receive in alimony and or child support? Alimony, remember, is based upon the net income of you and your spouse, where child support is based upon the gross income. When you do that analysis, assets and support, what will your life look like going forward? And are you satisfied with the way that life looks? There will be change as a result of divorce. Your children's lives will change slightly. Your life will change slightly. Your spouse's life will change slightly. Change does not have to be considered bad. It is all in how you handle the change. And it is all in whether or not you are satisfied that you are making the right decision. We at Stahl Ziegler can help you to decide whether or not you're taking the right step in your life, in the life of your children, in the life of your spouse, and how that decision and those steps will look in the future. Please do not hesitate to contact us 732-240-9555 and visit our website at www.szfamilylawfirm.com for more information or to contact us through our homepage. We look forward to assisting you in forming your new family and protecting what matters most.